If you have issues with the hotspot not working properly on POCO M8 5G, then first of all we can open settings. Next we're gonna go to portable hotspot, which is usually available in the main page of settings, but if you didn't go to the hotspot yet, then you can find it by going to more connectivity options, and then you can find it in here. Now once you go here, we can go to set up portable hotspot, and for example you're gonna check if the hide its SSID option is enabled. This of course can make the Wi-Fi not visible on other devices, so you might want to turn it off if you have it enabled. You can of course change the password or check the password in case you need to do so. You can just make it easier just for now in order to of course make sure that you can connect on other devices, and remember to use this check in the upper right corner in order to save your changes. If you have the portable hotspot enabled, you can generate the QR code, so this might be really much easier to connect to the hotspot on other devices if you can scan the QR code on another device. Also, besides that, we can also activate or deactivate the turn off hotspot automatically. So usually after I believe 10 minutes, if no device is connected to our hotspot, then the hotspot turns off by itself. So if you need more time, then of course we can manage that over here. There's also the one-time data limit, which allows you to control how much data can be used by connected devices to your hotspot. So of course this can also be the reason why the hotspot might not work after some time of usage. And that is pretty much it. This is everything that we can do in order to try to solve issues with the hotspot. Subscribe to my channel.